Slamming Election Commission over its way of conducting elections in various parts of India, the Madras High Court held EC officers solely responsible for the COVID second wave that has crippled the country. Listen in.
Murder. Let that sink in. Murder. Because that's the word the Madras High Court has used to describe the actions of the Election Commission. This for allowing political rallies during the pandemic. In a thundering observation, Chief Justice Sanjeev Banerjee has held the Election Commission singularly responsible for the second wave of COVID-19. He went so far as to say that Election Commission officials ought to be booked for murder. The scathing reprimand comes after one of the most crowded campaign seasons in India's political history, the masses of humanity pouring out at precisely the time when COVID precautions should have been taken to avert the second wave. Wagging an angry finger at the errant poll panel, the Madras High Court has also warned that it will stop counting on the 2nd of May if the Election Commission does not put in place a proper plan to ensure that protocols are followed. Public health is of paramount importance, and it is distressing that constitutional authorities have to be reminded in such regard. It is only when a citizen survives that he will be able to enjoy the rights that a democratic republic guarantees. Your institution is singularly responsible for the second wave of COVID-19. Election Commission officers should be booked on murder charges probably. Justice Banerjee's angry criticism comes at a crucial and telling time. West Bengal, which remains in watered-down campaign mode till the 29th of April, has witnessed the highest surge in COVID-19 tally in a month by reporting 14,281 new cases on Saturday. Kolkata alone accounted for 2,970 cases.
Election campaigning has been on in Bengal up till the last minute, albeit with certain restrictions. It was only the star campaigners who curtailed their rallies and decided to reach out to the electorate virtually. But that too, when a lion's share of the campaign was over. So was it too late?
Meanwhile, Tamil Nadu, which has come in for praise for its handling and preparations for the second wave, has just recorded its highest ever single-day spike with over 15,659 new cases in the last 24 hours, forcing the Edapadi Palaniswamy government to clamp down with more restrictions. Whatever happens on counting day, one thing is clear: whether murder or otherwise, the damage has been done. With Pramod Madhav in Chennai and Paulimi Saha in Kolkata, Bureau Report, India Today.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.